Good morning children. How are you all? Fine? Good. I am your Margi ma'am. Children, today we will revise the topic of body parts in general awareness. Children, tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of our body. Children, do you know our body has many parts and all the parts are very important for us, and every part has a name. So, let's see a video related to it. Body parts: head, hair, eye, nose, mouth, ear, hand, leg, knee. These are our body parts. Now we will see the functions of body parts. Functions of body parts. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. What do we do with our ears? We hear with our ears. What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. What do we do with our mouth? We eat with our mouth. What do we do with our hands? We work with our hands. What do we do with our legs? We walk with our legs. Next we will do a worksheet. This is a matching worksheet and you have to match the body parts with the boy's face. Here one side we are having body parts like hair, eyes, nose, ear and mouth. And the other side we have boy's face. So you have to match these body parts with their proper place. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video very much. So take care and bye.